Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Before starting with the gold analysis, we'll look at the economic calendar for today. Then we'll proceed with our gold analysis. Today is Thursday, March 24th. When we look at the events for today, we have a medium impacting news at 6 a.m. for Japanese yen. Then at 6:35, medium impacting news for USD currency pairs and Euro currency pairs. And at 2 p.m. we have high impacting news for Swiss francs, and also we have medium impacting news. Again at 2 p.m. we have high impacting news for Euro currency pairs. Then at 2:30 p.m. we have low impacting news for Euro currency pairs. Then as we scroll down, at 3 p.m. we have impacting news for Swiss francs. Then medium impacting news for British pound, same at 3 p.m. 4:30 p.m. we have low impacting news for British pound. Again at 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. And at 6:30 p.m. we have low impacting news for British pound. Then 6:40 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. So plan your trade entry and exit based on these news calendars. Let us start with our analysis. I'm in weekly time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. So when we look at the price action in weekly time frame, we can clearly notice that the price action is trading between this resistance level of 1950 and support level of 1913. It's been trading here for some days for now. So when we analyze why this area is acting as a very strong support and resistance level, we have to look at the past price action. As we scroll down on the left side, as mentioned earlier also, so in the past this whole area had acted as a very strong resistance zone. Currently this area is acting as a very strong support zone. So if the current price action breaks this support level of 1914, we can expect a drastic fall or a bearish trend reversal from this level. So this level is very important for the bearish trend reversal to happen. And as I had mentioned earlier also, it has formed a double bottom pattern. Currently the price action is trying to break this neckline. So this level, the green level, is very important for the bearish trend reversal also when you consider the double bottom pattern. So that is the reason why the price action is struggling. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this neck level, we can expect the trend reversal on the bullish side. So this is the price action from the higher time frame. Let us analyze the price action from the daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we analyze the price action in daily time frame also, it was a very strong bullish trend and tested the resistance level of 2071 and started its bearish trend. But again, as mentioned in the weekly time frame, this whole area between these green lines is acting as a very strong support zone. You can notice that there was only spikes trying to break this level, but it couldn't break it, and currently the price action is moving on a sideways, waiting for a strong news to move on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Currently the price action has no direction when we analyze it from the daily time frame. So I have also drawn the support line or the trend line over here. So if the price action needs to continue with bullish trend, it has to break this resistance line and also this resistance level of 1996 in order to continue with bullish trend. In my previous video also, I had mentioned that the price action is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance level, we can expect a further fall and to complete this head and shoulder pattern. So there are possibilities of it to retrace to the level where it started its bullish trend, which is going to be around 1803. But looking at the current price action, there are more chances that it can go on a bullish side rather coming on a bearish trend reversal. Let us wait and see which direction the price action breaks out. Let us do the price analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is trading between this resistance level of 1950 and support level of 1913, and it is moving on a sideways. Within this price action, I've drawn a channel pattern or the resistance line and the support line, and you can notice that whenever the price action tests this resistance line, we have noticed trend reversal, and again when the price action tries to go on a bullish side, this support line had acted as a resistance line. Once this resistance line is taken, you can notice that there was a sharp bullish trend and took support on this resistance line and continued its bullish trend. Currently the price action has taken resistance at this resistance line, and we can expect a bearish trend reversal and to take support on this trend line. Once this trend line is broken, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side. Next level of support is going to be around 1913, and if the price action doesn't break this support line, we can expect a bullish trend reversal and to retest on this 1950 level. So I would recommend you to draw support lines or resistance lines in order to understand the price action. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is a range bound market and moving on a sideways. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently I can notice that the price is getting rejected at the resistance level over here. The confirmation on the trend reversal will happen once it breaks this previous low. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. As we already know, we have the channel pattern or the support and resistance line running over here, and we have the higher time frame resistance line over here and the support level over here. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, and we can notice that the price is getting rejected at this resistance level. Once the price action breaks this trend line or the support line, you can take trades on the bearish side. If the price action breaks this resistance level of 1950, next level of resistance is going to be around 1975, which was acting as a very strong support in the past. So we can expect this level to be acting as a resistance if the trend reversal happens on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1944, then you can take trades on the bearish side, because from the higher time frame we know that current price action is trading on a sideways. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I have drawn one more channel pattern or the parallel line over here, and we have the hourly time frame channel pattern or resistance line running over here. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, and the price got rejected at this higher time frame resistance line, and it was trading within this resistance line and the channel pattern support line or resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price broke this support line and it is on a bearish trend reversal. First level of support is going to be the channel pattern support line from the 5 minutes time frame, and if it breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall and to take support on the hourly time frame channel pattern support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action got rejected from this resistance line. You can draw trend lines like this. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1943, then you can take trades on the bearish side. Next level of support is going to be around 1939. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.